Yes, you can definitely pay yourself credit builder early, but you can't pay it too much in advance. They want you to pay on it monthly. They don't really want you to, like, say if you got the $48 per month plan, they don't want you to put the $539 down on that account. They want you to pay it off slowly. I know when I had my account, I think I was able to make like one or two payments early, but that's about it. They want you to pay on it slowly but surely. Now, let's go ahead and get more details. I like to look up these different questions about this of paying it early. Can I pay off my set credit builder account early? If you want to, can you pay off your account early? Sure is yes, but you'll miss out on some things if you do. Oh, and that's probably making sure that you guys pay every month. That's the thing. You may get yourself Visa card if you see this. Yeah, so the thing is, you can pay it off early, but like they're saying, if you guys pay it off early, you're not going to be able to increase your credit history, which is what you want, and your length of credit history. It counts for 15% of your score. So they're saying if you keep making your payments on time, it may be a good idea to keep your credit builder account open. That said, if you like to close your account, you can close it, but you guys definitely you can pay it early. With me, like I said, I made like a payment or two ahead of time, and I was able to get, I believe I got my money still early, but I just suggest that you guys slowly pay on it. I remember when I was telling you guys even about that kickoff account, and I was like, oh yeah, you can just pay off, because at first it was like $10, or I don't know how much it was, $20. I forgot what it was. But I was like, you can just go ahead and pay that all at once. And that's not even the point of it. The point of an account like this is that they can continuously pay, that you guys are continuously pay, and they'll continuously report to the credit bureau. If you guys are paying it early, like, you're not getting a full benefit of this account. But you guys, like they said, you can definitely